Anyway, so these will move at 1.5 times the speed. Better than going at double the speed. Double the speed is a bit hard to click when you've only got two. You know what? We might just go with 40 for now. But then I've got a trackpad on this computer as well, which is why it's harder. But yeah, we'll add more faces before we hit 45. So press OK. And don't forget to add object Dumbledore into this room. Now look, if I put him up there, it'll delete the wall underneath him, so I'll just delete him. That's right click to delete, by the way. Select object unicorn, put it back where it belongs. Deselect, delete under, and then you can put him anywhere and he won't delete whatever objects are underneath him. And since he's invisible, that's usually the best thing to do. So press OK, let's see how this goes now. Alright, we have a face there, click, 2 points, 3 points, 4 points, 5 points. There, and now they're going faster, 6, 7, no, 6, there we go, 7. Right, so, we'll be stuck on this level forever. We could get 500 million points and we'd still be on this level. Because we haven't made any levels after and we haven't put anything in here to say, hey, stop the game once we've got a certain number of points. So I'm going to leave it now, but as you can see, this is slightly more entertaining if you're really, really bored. But yeah. Okay, so close that for now. And to make it a little more fun, double click on object chocolate. Where this left button pressed, you got to set the score relative to 1. Go to main 2, press create object, object chocolate. Just a second, I gotta find the center of the room. I believe the whole room is 360. Anyway, so we just want to appear about there. So if you look at the bottom left, you've got X and Y. Yeah, X is 320, Y is 224. I'll just show you that now. I'll change when I move the cursor, but I'll just remember 320 and 224. So there you go. X 320, Y 224. So yeah, just press OK. Go back to object chocolate, left press, create instance of object chocolate, X 320, Y 224. You don't want to press relative, that would be relative to the center of it, which you don't want to do. So you want it that position in the room rather than in the room relative to the object. So click OK, and in order for the game not to get too big and freeze up your computer, which has happened to me before. Anyway, just put the destroy instance object in there of self. That way it'll disappear and it'll create a new one in the center, so anyone who's not a game programmer will think that it just jumps to the center of the screen, making it harder to click on multiple times and get heaps and heaps of points for no reason whatsoever. Okay, so there. And because of random direction, you don't even know which way it's going to go, which is pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna okay game so far. You could add a few more levels yourself, obviously, because, well, what I'm going to do, I'll duplicate object Dumbledore, I'll make object Gandalf, and when the score is equal to 15, okay, or even better, we'll have a mid-level thing when the score's equal to 10. We want to, so we can go back to object chocolate. I mean, you could obviously do this yourself, but just copy the middle thing here. Create instance of an object in the middle, so we're telling Gandalf when the score's equal to 10, put another chocolate bounce around the screen in the center. Or one and another two, speed up the game a bit. And delete this instrument. And then duplicate Gandalf, make an object. I am not I don't know. I'm not. Okay, I am a nerd. There we go. So object I am a nerd. This will end the game for us. So when the score is equal to 20, yeah, equal to, okay. Delete these. Go to next room. Blend, that's fade in, except it doesn't go to the black screen first. So you know what? Make it simple, just same effect as last time. Okay. Okay, so in room 1, remember deselect let underlying, you want to put in object Gandalf and object I'm nerd. Okay. And you're obviously going to have to create a new room. Now here's the easy fun bit, right? What's the size of this room? I wouldn't say it's fun, it's actually quite boring, but anyway. I believe it's 360 by 480 if I memorize the default. No, 640 by 480. Yeah, that'd be pretty 20 for 360. Okay, 640 by 480. It's okay. So right click on backgrounds, press create background. Edit background because you wouldn't have made your own previously. Transform, resource canvas, which is pretty much just a fancy way of saying attributes. 640 by 480. Okay, there we go, full screen so we can see it. Right, this is our background for the end of the game, so we'll make it blue because I like the colour blue, kinda. Okay, not really. And we've already put red in there. Oh, we've already put blue as well. Blue and red because we've already got actually right there, left click there. Okay, text. You win. You'll obviously think it's something much more creative than me. Oops. Sorry. Red, blue. The different game makers have different defaults. You're going to figure that out yourself. So you win. Okay. I know it's tiny. You know what? We're going to cheat a bit. We're going to use paint. Copy. Oh no, don't even copy. Just delete it. Okay. There. That's one way to get rid of it. Alright, we want to select this bit here. Copy it. Go into Microsoft Paint. Yes, I've got Steam because I am awesome. Control V. Take that thing. Yeah. That. Yeah, I prefer the old paint. I don't even use this much, so I'm sorry if I get something wrong. You win. Have this little French script, or have they deleted good fonts? Yep, they deleted all the good fonts. Okay, we're going to use this one here, Gabriel. Okay, right, see, it's not the ultimate. There we go, size 30, bold, that looks right. We might make it a bit bigger just because it's a pretty big screen, so 38, there we go. Select that, copy, close paint. Pretend I never used that because it's a game maker tutorial it's supposed to be. Paste it in there, that was Control V by the way. And you've just told them that they want the game. Actually, we might put that a bit higher. Okay. Just because we're going to have a pop-up box later on. Oh, actually, even better idea. Sorry. Yeah, done. So press OK. Okay. So I'm going to go room 2. Backgrounds. Backgrounds are right there. Okay. Now, sprites. Create sprite. I'm going to call this sprite Donald Duck. You would have seen my Kingdom Hearts background by now, so you should understand. Press edit sprite. I'll resize this as well, like we did with the background. Resize canvas width. And just make them 4 times the size.